For only 99,000 pesos, all in cash out, no hidden charges, no hidden fees. Meron ka ng subcompact crossover. I got you ulit. So this is the 2018 Chevrolet Trax LT automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 18 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires at sa harap, LED day running light, projector headlights, fog lamps, may chrome accent sa grille at 2 ang ending. At sa engine, it's a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder automatic transmission gasoline engine at napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina at syempre, fuel efficient. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At sa pinakalikod, naka-VLAN na taillight, chrome garnish, back camera at sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space at dahil love kita, may free kang car cover. At dito sa loob, super clean na headliner, fresh leather seat at well-designed na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, USB ports, automatic transmission at 1, 2, 3, 4 cup holders at cute na armrest. Leather wrap na steering wheel, super fresh, may mga controls dito, may cruise control, analog and digital display with 25,000 kilometers on the clock only. At sa second row, medyo okay ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko, meron siyang outlet source at armrest with 2 built-in cup holders. Subcompact, cute size, madali i-drive, fuel efficient at syempre hindi underpower. Kaya kung gusto mo to, for only 99,000 pesos, all in cash out, no hidden charges, no hidden fees, and 13K monthly for 4 years. Pag sa cash naman, 485,000 pesos lang. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Reserve mo na to, tumawag ka na. See you guys, peace out.